This is the Pokemon Battle Academy game set. And when my kid was just starting to get into Pokemon, this was a perfect game to get because it came with these 3 different decks. You get the Pikachu deck, the Cinderace deck, and the Eevee deck. And so this is an example. This would be the Eevee deck here. It's great because it helps you get a lot of Pokemon cards, and it kind of just gets them started, jump started if they're getting into it and they don't have a lot of Pokemon stuff yet, a lot of cards. This is just sort of a nice primer to kind of start up their collection. I know my kid's more into collecting than playing the game, but this way you can kind of go both directions. This is a really good gift to give if you have a recipient who you know likes Pokemon, but you just aren't sure what to get them. This is a really, really good kind of universal Pokemon gift set, particularly for a younger player just starting to get into things. So we're really happy with this, and we are really glad we got it.